All right, let's talk about something that might seem small but could actually change how you use your phone every day. Google Clock just got a pretty interesting update with version 9.0, specifically for Android users. Now, I know what you're thinking. It's just a clock app. How exciting can it be? But here's the thing. The new live update feature for timers and stopwatches is actually a big deal, especially if you're someone who relies on these tools throughout the day. Personally, I think this update is a great example of how even the smallest changes can have a significant impact on user experience. So, what's the big deal with live updates? Well, if you're using a Pixel device and have Android 16 or higher, you'll notice that timers and stopwatches now appear as pill-shaped notifications in your status bar. What makes this really interesting is that these notifications are live. They update in real time right there at the top of your screen. It's a small change, but it's incredibly practical. For instance, if you're cooking and have a timer running, you don't need to pull down the notification shade or unlock your phone to check how much time is left. It's right there, front and center. One thing that immediately stands out is how this feature prioritizes functionality over aesthetics, which is a bold move in a world where app design often leans heavily on visual appeal. Now, here's where it gets a bit controversial. These live updates take up the entire notification space in the status bar, meaning no other notification icons can compare next to them. From my perspective, this is a trade-off. On one hand, it ensures that your timer or stopwatch is always visible and hard to miss. On the other hand, it could be frustrating if you're waiting for an important message or alert. What this really suggests is that Google is betting on the idea that users will prioritize timers and stopwatches over other notifications, which might not always be the case. It's a risky move, but it also shows that they're willing to experiment with how we interact with our devices. Another detail I find fascinating is how these live updates behave when you tap on them. Instead of opening the clock app, the notification expands over your screen for 5 seconds, displaying a larger countdown and bigger buttons for pause lap or pause LOD 1 minute. It's a clever way to keep you in the moment without disrupting your workflow. If you take a step back and think about it, this is a great example of micro-interactions done right, small, thoughtful design choices that make a big difference in usability. Of course, not everyone might be a fan of this new approach. If you prefer the old notification style, you can still switch back. Just go to the app info page for Google Clock, then notification app setting live updates, and toggle it off. What many people don't realize is that these kinds of customization options are what set Android apart from other operating systems. It's all about giving users control over their experience, even if it's just something as simple as how a timer appears on their screen. Now, let's talk about the rollout. Google Clock 9.0 started rolling out at the end of July, but the live updates for stopwatches and timers are part of a separate server-side update. As of now, it's widely available on Pixel devices, though it might not be live for everyone just yet. If you're not seeing it, try starting a timer and then restarting your device. This staggered rollout is pretty typical for Google, but it does raise a deeper question. Why not just release everything at once? Personally, I think it's a way to gather feedback incrementally and iron out any bugs before a full-scale launch. In my opinion, this update is a great example of how even the most mundane apps can be reimagined to better serve users. It's not just about adding new features, it's about refining existing ones to make them more intuitive and useful. What this really suggests is that Google is paying attention to the little things, which is something I think more developers should take note of. After all, it's often the small details that make the biggest difference in how we interact with technology. So, here's my closing thought. The next time you set a timer or use a stopwatch on your Pixel, take a moment to appreciate how this tiny update has changed the game. It's a reminder that innovation doesn't always have to be flashy. Sometimes it's the subtle improvements that leave the most lasting impact. What do you think about this update? Are live updates a game changer for you, or do you prefer the old way? Let me know in the comments below.